Paan Mukhwas is a traditional Indian mouth freshener inspired by the flavors of betel leaf. It's a blend of various ingredients that provide a sweet, refreshing, and aromatic aftertaste. Typically consumed after meals, Paan Mukhwas good for digestion and freshens breath. Here's a simple homemade Paan Mukhwas recipe that captures the authentic Paan flavor and is easy to make. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Paan Mukhwas. Take, wash and dry 3 to 4 betel leaves. Remove the stem. Cut it as shown. Chop into small pieces. Pat them dry completely before chopping to prevent moisture buildup. You can cut it like this to speed up the process. Chop into small pieces. Repeat the same procedure. Add all the ingredients. 1 tablespoon dried shredded coconut. 1 tablespoon fennel seeds. 1½ tablespoon sugar coated fennel for crunchiness. Add some Tutti Frutti. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons Gulkand in batches. Mix it well. Mix it in gently to avoid clumping. To handle it easily, mix with spatula. Transfer into jar. Store in an airtight container at room temperature 1 to 2 days or store in the refrigerator to keep it fresh for up to a week. The cooling effect from betel leaves a refreshing aftertaste. Acts as a natural mouth freshener. Reduces bad breath and sometimes used in desserts. Serve a small spoonful after meals for a refreshing mouth freshener and enjoy. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.